Hi Grillionaires, it's Scott from the Grillionaires Club, and I just wanted to do this quick video to let you know that we've put together a new PDF guide, a new ebook called 12 Common Mistakes to Avoid When Building Your Outdoor Kitchen. Now, pretty self-explanatory, 12 common mistakes. It's all based on a lot of those common mistakes I've seen over the years of designing and building outdoor kitchens. I've seen a lot of mistakes go on, and in this guide we've got a lot of tips and advice from this ugly guy over here, showing you some of my top tips on what often gets overlooked. And I'm hoping that this guide will help you if you're looking to plan, design and build your own outdoor kitchen. Then I'm hoping this can help you avoid some of those really painful mistakes, help you avoid a lot of stress and wasted money. So just showing you through here, there's some real good little examples of stuff to avoid. You know, some real horror stories as well. So yeah, it's chock full of loads of tips, hints, that kind of thing. And I just wanted to show you some of my sort of favourite pointers from this. Is one of them is a worktop space. Now, in the planning phase, and rightly so, everyone gets really excited. They want to put all of their favourite gadgets, gizmos, grills, different appliances. They want to cram it all in, stuff them into every nook and cranny and tiny bit of available space possible. And it's really understandable. But in reality, I think the best thing to do is the opposite of that. I think you need to look at stripping away all of the appliances that you don't want to use and just sticking with your core appliances that you're going to use all the time, and freeing up as much space on the worktop as possible, or as the Americans put it, as much real estate on the worktop as possible. It's I think that's the most valuable bit of having an outdoor kitchen, of owning one and using it. But I think it's also the most overlooked, and you know, the sort of logical part of the brain sort of thinks, oh, I need to make use of it by putting lots of appliances in it. But it's actually, you want to look at the way you're going to use it by where you're going to have all your landing space for your food prep, where friends are going to gather around and sit and have a beer, or maybe you might want to play cards at the end of the night on it. It's all of those things, and I think that's the real value of having an outdoor kitchen. If you've got a trolley barbecue and you've ever tried to balance bags and plates and different things, you run out of space really quickly and stuff ends up going on the floor and it's a right mess, and cooking becomes a real chore and a lot of aggro. So yeah, the worktop space is my number one tip. Is having plenty of that and plan that in advance. Try to avoid overcrowding everything and using up all your worktop space with just silly gadgets that you won't ever use again. So that is my number one tip, really. So like I say, we've just put together this guide. You can get it over at the Grillionaires.club. That's our website, Grillionaires.club. And you can download it for free. It's absolutely free. Just pop in your email address and you can download it off the site there. So I'd just like to ask you to like and subscribe this video if you like it, and also give me some feedback if you download the guide and see what you think. All right, take care guys. See ya.